Hello everybody, welcome to this weekly analyzing gold. We'll do a bit recap from the latest video and what may happen for the following days, alright? So we was at these areas right here, market makers. I was expecting two scenarios right here. I wanted to sell high and I wanted to buy at 80.35, alright? So I wanted to see a double bottom around this area, which I didn't saw, so there were two scenarios in the game. One scenario, if they would create a double bottom in this area, they could buy, all right. But if they would close the price below this area, they would smash it down. They would smash it down, and they will trap all this money right here, which they did for several days, as I said. If they would close the price below this area, and you need to switch your thinking fast in sales and enter in the game with the big players and starting to sell, all right. So they smash at this level, they trap at all this money right here. As I mentioned, this was the final bull move because they used the news. The next candle did not go the follow through, etc. So they did accumulation for several days, and later on they trap at all this money for several days. The price been dropping. All right. So what is happening right now? And the price been dropping for almost 4 or 5 days, and we are seeing some bullish signs on the market right now. So what happened in Friday? We was inside this channel. Bulls managed to break. They created a sort of double bottom right here, a higher high, a major trend reversal, and they spike at the level right here. But they broke the range. And later on, market makers, they smashed out all these buyers by stopping out them. So I bought also, but I had a specific target, which was 18, 12, 80, 18. And as I mentioned, this was the area of resistance where a lot of bears could enter and there would be a pressure in the market. And exactly they entered this level and they smashed it down the price by stopping out all this bull move right here, stopping out all the retails, alright. And what they did later on, they started to buy again. All right, that's the game. They have to stop out the money and later on to buy again. So essential, as long price hold above 70.81, I expect price to rise. All right, and 70.88 is important right now, so that need to hold. So you can see further bounce in the market, which can be 70.96. 80.07 or 80.18, all right. But if they smash it down in Monday and if they break 70.80, there can be chances they can send the price at 70.60 or 70.70. And right here I want to see for any sort of double bottom, all right. I want to see for a base to be created around this area so I can buy, boom, because there can be chances that the price may go up. All right, so maybe the price can go at 80.34. All right, so we need to see what they'll do in month. There right now there is a scenario right here to trade in the range. All right, so they did a fake out here. So if this area right here reject 70.96, there could be chances they can drop the price further down. So point of interest for me is 70.60 also is November low. So I want to see there for any sort of buys. All right. So right now the most important is to know. Right now is the market was closed due to bank holidays, but as you see they smashed the channel, the range. They went up, they stopped it out, and later on they started to buy. So essential, this area need to hold, that there can be some potential bounces, and maybe 80.02, 80.08 and 80.15 can be tested as long this area hold. But if they come at this area and this reject, maybe it can be a further move to downside. Alright guys, so if you go in daily time frame, is a huge rejection, but still there is some bull signs on the market, and the bulls, they didn't give up. They are still in the market, so they will try again. They will try again to fill this week maybe, and later on they maybe can go further higher. 80.35 is a point of interest for big players, and major key level 70.22. All right, for big levels which has a big role in the market. All right, so to keep it simple, guys, we are at this range right now. All right, so you need to see if the price come and break below this area, they can drop the price here, and right here I want to see 4 buys. But if they come and break this area, they can go further up. So I expect in Monday that there can be some potential bounces. uh, According to the price section, what I'm seeing right now is that market makers bought, all right, in the same time retail enter in the market, but they stop it out. Most of retails, all right, so they stop it out and they started to buy again. Important level 1796, all right, 1796. If that break, that can 8002 and 8008 can be tested, all right. So we need to see how the price react in Monday. If this area hold, there can be potential bounce, all right. So I hope it was a bit helpful. If you have any question, let me know. Take